Good morning, guys. Good morning, wait, microphone is on. Yes, microphone is on this time. Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing great. Hope you're good. Today you're from C, so we have to be a little bit more careful than usual and trade the best as we can. So we're here. Oh my God, we need some coffee here. First, before I have 2 minutes, I'd like first to share the live stream into my fellow people in Discord. And I don't believe you cannot see everything. Here, this one on the left side. Nice. You cannot see everything because I changed it yesterday. Here. Nice. Altaf, thank you so much. Altaf, thank you so much, my friend. Good morning, Red One. Yes, I can explain you my strategy. I should make a video. I mean, it's not my strategy. My friend told me that. If you give me 10-15 minutes, I will explain to you. Just the time that I catch up here on everything, look at the chart, so that I don't miss anything on today trading. But I will definitely share my strategy. Here we go, Discord time. Here we go, Discord. Oh my God, I'm so tired. 60 points, 60 ticks. Let me run the copier. Right now it's running. 60 ticks, stop loss. 60 points, 60 ticks, stop loss. Target. Let's make 61. Oh my God, so much choppiness. Oh my God. From yesterday. Oh my God. From yesterday. What's happening here? Did we? What's happening here? Did we just? Yesterday was 16. Did we just? We were selling off. How the heck can the candle is? Oh, because it changed to. How the heck can the candle is? Oh, the candle is green. Because now it's started the old contract and it looks like it's a positive day, but it's not yesterday. Yesterday was closed red. It's a positive day, but it's not. So that's totally incorrect. Market is open. Price is center in Borbato. Oof, my audio is not great. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I had the desktop running at the same time, and my live was running at the same time, so you were hearing me twice. I'm really sorry. There we go, guys. Manu, what's up? What software you use for live streaming OBS? Sorry, you meant this one, trading Quant Tower. That's Quant Tower. What the heck I answer OBS? I don't understand. Yeah, sorry guys. Because yesterday I was doing the live reaction of GDR. That guy lost 80k, something like that, in a few seconds because the craziness of the market here in these days. Trade copier is with Quant Tower and it's free. It's included in Quant Tower. I can copy as many accounts as I want, and it's integrated in the software of Quant Tower, and I love it. It works well. It works well. I like it. Got along the moves, I gotta can chill. Oh man, it is good, man. If you can chill, I might get already a quick trade here. It's coming here already. I'm so tired. I ran 16K this morning. 16.5 kilometers I ran this morning. And I'm destroyed. I'm literally destroyed. So my brain is like not really functioning with the best. Good morning, Mufti. That is one break candle my friend is right now taking, I believe, because he's using this 41 EMA. If he's lucky, that's one trade there, but let's see, 40, 70, 60. That's his trade. Good morning, Kirk. Okay, it did not work. I'm sorry for him. I'm gonna look if you know what I don't like about today? Look at the choppiness on the left side. I have to zoom on the left and see a freaking chop word. I don't like this. With Quantower, I really don't know. If you're meaning the copy of Quantower, I don't know if you can have multiple connections at the same time. I believe you can. I never seen any problem of multiple connection in Quantower. So I believe you can select multiple accounts. Are we gonna hit all-time highs? I believe we will do it. But I believe the most important things of today is gonna be the most important things of today, I believe, is what is gonna say after the interest rate has been decided, because interest rate is already priced in the market. But if he says something like, yes, good chance also next one will be lower, that's gonna pump more the market. Good morning, Kirk, as well. Tired as hell. I'm tired as hell. Market today sucks. Right now we are bouncing. This is the 500. And below the 500, this daily chart here on the left, it sucks. I have to change it. Right now we have, I prefer to put the new contract for the moment, because now I can see properly that the day of yesterday was a bearish candle there, and the low was 499.25. So we are right now at the lows of yesterday at this 500. Interesting what's gonna happen. If we break lower, we continue lower, or we're gonna bounce and make it higher. I'm gonna be more careful of trading today. Yeah, I'm gonna be more careful. Don't need to put actions. Remember, guys, you are 10 people there. Leave a like to the video. Just a like. Just a like. Leave a like. Woohoo! Leave a like. Thank you. 3 people that left a like there. Thank you so much. So 499. By the way, guys, change to the new contract. Okay. Change to the new contract. I believe Tradovate will force today the new contract. I believe Tradovate today will force. No, tomorrow will force. Tomorrow Tradovate force the new contract. I believe today you're still able to trade the old contract. Yes, it did. I'm logging in right now because I just want to be sure for my for the people in Apex, because you know how many people, you don't know, guys, but during there is an exchange of contract to old one to new one, you don't understand how many people create a ticket, and they'll be like, I cannot trade. Why I cannot trade? I didn't blow up my account. What the heck? Give me back my account. Yo, man. that contract is expired, and Tradovate is making you a favor to not trade an expired contract. So please do not trade that contract. Yeah, no, I checked right now, Tradovate. It does not accept trades from an older contract, from September contract. It's really like that, huh? Oh my God, I cannot trade. I cannot trade anymore. All right, you cannot trade. That's good for you that you cannot trade. You would have blown already. If we come back and reject the 500 on this trend line coming lower, I'm happy to take a short in that case. Yes, I'm happy to take that short. Oh my God, guys. To be honest, like, with the Jose, when we were trading the ES strategy last year, a year and a half ago, we would not trade during FMC. We would just keep it. FMC day, it's a no day. So if we touch right now and we do 18 points, I need to enter somewhere here to be below the 500 to feel comfortable shorting against the 500. So I'm gonna let it do whatever it wants to do. Guys, insanity of the counts coming back. 3,900. Sorry, 300,900. Almost 300. Almost 300. That's only need one trade. 51,400. 51. It's been a while we have not seen my accounts in green. 57, 57, 51, 51, 51. 51,500 here. Man, I'm proud of myself that I didn't blow them up. I was so close. You know how much I was close to blow them up, my friend? Mentally, I was exhausting, and I was like, why should I care about these accounts? For a moment, I was like, just blow them up, activate new PA, and at least you start from initial balance, then starting from minus 2,000, because that's what I started for some accounts. I was down $2,000 and close to blow up. And then I was like, don't do that. If you don't have a proven strategy that works, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't make your expense higher. Don't make your expense higher. Don't do that. It's hard. It's hard because your brain gives you so many reasons why you should blow them up. It's freaking hard. Oh my God. Today run was insane. 16.5, 6.2K, and it's been a while I've not run that amount. And I ran 10K Monday, and I jumped 60% higher of length. I'm quite impressed. And I just put motivation. To this morning, I listened to procrastination podcast. But the problem is I missed some parts because when you run, sometimes your brain just keep flying. And I was not really listening. You hear something, but you're just flying with your thoughts. But one thing it says is when you're procrastinating, you have to say that many people say procrastination is something that is related to your personality. It's not. It's a habit. So you say, I am not a procrastinator. That you keep it in your head. Second, you can have a 5 seconds rule. You're procrastinating. In my phone. I should work. I should do some editing. I should do some YouTube. I should do some stuff. And I'm start scrolling. Is that moment 5 second rule is like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You put away your things and you start you do 1 minute of work. 1 minute of work, one thing small of your work, and you start with that. And by most of the time, it does roll on the next work and the next work, and you don't stop anymore. Matt, man, how long have you been live for? I want to be back home for maybe 2 hours. Man, Matt, I love only for 1 hour, my friend, even less sometimes. As much as I love it to stay here with chatting with people, yeah, YouTube. As much as YouTube, I love to be bigger. I care about having a lot of time for myself, not live streaming. Other people live stream 4 or 5 hours, but they make a lot of money by live streaming. So they don't they care about keeping you there. I don't care about keeping you there. You can come here, trade for 10 minutes, and get a hell out of from here if you've done your trading. That's more important. And if I close my stream and I tell you I'm done, I hope these little things of discipline helps you back on saying, Hamza is gone. I don't need to trade anymore because I have as well the same rule of trading 1 hour. I'm done. You know, these kind of little things, I hope this helps back. Tough Mudder? What the heck is Tough Mudder? Where do I find the trading channel? Where do I find the trading channel? What do you mean, where do I find the trading channel? Yeah, the next stream, back tomorrow, my friend. Back tomorrow is going to be more interesting, I believe, tomorrow, because today FMC, yeah. Tomorrow, I come back at 9:30, New York session time, as always. If this comes back at 900 and he rejects, I will go short, guys. I had to reject. What do you know? It's an obstacle challenge, technometer with obstacles. We have similar things, but I don't know the names. But we do have. I do. They're fun. I like these things. There is one that is called Spartan. No, it's more like international. You have it in USA as well. Spartan. That is like with obstacles. I love that. I love that. It's fun. It's physical. I would like to do a Spartan one day, or something like that. Makes it. What I want to do, hopefully, with my training in the next period, and it's honestly, this fact of I'm back running a lot, it's a mental challenge for me. It's something to prove myself I can do it. I block myself too many times on. I run a few times, then I stop. I run a few times, then I stop. Then I go back running, and I start back running again at 5K, 7K, and then go back to 10K, then 12K, and then I stop for a few months. Then I have to catch up again. So I'm tired of that, of not being disciplined. So I want to prove to myself that by next year, or by the next year summer in Europe, I can do good runs of like 40, 50K. News in a minute. Like now. It's already 45. No, there is no news for me. Today there is no news, my friend. At least in the website, the Market Watch of most important news, there is only FOMC at 2 and Powell speaking at 2.5. Luca, if you're listening to me and you took this trade as your second trade, I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna freaking punch you. Luca's a great trader, guys. He's a great trader. He's the one taught me this strategy. He does not have the discipline of accepting losses. Like, let's say he's a tomato X2, tomato twice. That's like tomato. Luca and tomato are best friends. Tomato, where have you been, tomato, as well? I should tag him later in this call. Where have you been? Oh, tomato, where have you been? We missed you here. We love you, tomato. If people don't know, tomato is a guy that has been here for a while. For a while. Okay, it's coming back to our level. Maybe we're gonna get an entry, guys. It's working probably. Yeah, it's good. It's good chance. Good chance. God, Tomato is a freaking good trader. He's a freaking good trader. He messed up on his psychology. He's a good trader. My God, if I had his strategy, if I had in hand his way of trading, he's good at scalping days and making so much money. And some days you just have to accept the loss, and I'm good at that. We should like do a Dragon Ball fusion. Bam! He takes my discipline, I take his strategy, and we make so much money. We will make so much money. Okay, market, just touch the 490 here, and then you can reject, and we'll look for to take a shot. I still like the short idea. We are below the yesterday lows. Okay, guys. Let's see if it's gonna reject it. The 500 are here, quite far right now, but if it comes back and reject, it should be still good. It gave a pump here on the ES, but still good chance it can still reject. Probably it's one trade shot. Wow. Okay. Okay. It's rejecting that 500 right now. That was interesting fast. Quick points there. I'm not gonna take this short. I just need something like a new high. Probably it's not trading day, huh? Good chance. FOMC later. Market chopping for the rest of the day. It can be. It can be. It can be. It can be. So we don't have to. You don't have to rush trades. In my head, you always, if you don't like a trade and you, like on a way of like strategy wise is not the best trade, it's just better miss the trade than take the trade. Even if it goes to green, that becomes the hardest part, because mentally now we have to fight on a way of like, I should have taken it, I should have done that. Yeah, I should. That's when you have to be like, this does not work in trading. But statistically speaking, missing a trade, if you miss a trade one today, you miss a trade next day, miss a trade again, because you don't like them, you keep missing them, on statistically wise in a long term, it won't impact you, because if out of the next 1,000 trade, you skip 100 trades, you're still averaging through your strategy, right? That's what I think. So I prefer just maybe skip a trade and then force it and take something that it's not the best. So right now we're above the 500. We come back. We're above yesterday low yesterday, and we're turning up, guys. We're turning up. So good chance. For the moment we have to wait. Or what does it want to do, this market? You guys be careful today. Yes, Wolfie gains today. Not trades yet. Today is careful day. Better skip a trading day than force it, for sure. I'm looking if I wait, guys. I'm looking if I do this. Does it change? No, same quality. How are you, Wolfie gains? Wolfie gains. Oh shit! I drank this coffee. It's the first time I see it. It's a coffee with protein. It has 19 grams of protein in these things. I should buy a lot of them, stuck them in the fridge, and drink one per day. I like coffee. I drink coffee every day. for my gains. For my gains. No, I don't have anymore. I was much bigger long time ago, guys. But now I don't train that much the upper body, and I'm training more the lower body. Yeah, I heard about these updates on WealthChart's mobile. They're coming? I freaking don't know. Are they coming? I know they're gonna make the trade copier available for mobile. I don't know what other updates. No, so then you saw my reaction. Then I don't know exactly when they're coming, but they're working. These guys work a lot. I know their team. They work a lot because you have to think that WealthChart for prop firms started from zero with Apex. They were so behind, and as well very bad communication caused many things I cannot say, but they were delayed for not their fault, and they catch up a lot, and right now they're going to improve even more. They're going to improve even more WealthChart because they're going to even improve the fasting fields and stuff like that, better fields and everything. So they're working on that. It's going to be even for people that trade WealthChart, the fields will be even better. Felipe, so yeah, if you keep trading with WealthChart, you will see that the fields in the next days or week they're gonna be better. Less, I believe, less slippage or stuff like that. They're working a lot in their engine behind their servers. Yeah, and the fix of WealthChart is what I like. It's what I always say is that you might see it sometimes as behind compared to others, but they evolve quicker and you have updates every time. Everything you go to the question mark on the top right, you have and you have like, this is the last update of the last weeks and months, and it's always something new. By the way, the risk reward, it came from my advice. The risk reward drawing, it came from me. So if you see risk reward drawing there, you're welcome. You're welcome. The trade copy is going to be even better the moment they make it server side and not local side. Whoa, wait, market, cool down. Now it's blocked. Yeah, so it's going to be even better when it's going to be server side. Yeah, they put the profit goal futures. That's true. That's true. I saw it. They have the profit goal for evaluation, I guess, right? You don't have it for PA. You don't have a profit, but for evaluation, that's great. How many people go to profit and then they come back and then never realize they were in profit? So at least if you're like, this is my last trade to go to pass the account, you don't say they're calculating. You just put it on the line of the profit. Yeah, no, they're nowhere. Yeah. No, they're doing great jobs. Should have a meeting with them tomorrow. Yeah, just because I do work more on that IT side with Apex. A lot of the updates, a lot of work behind. The devs are working so hard. Many things are coming as well from Apex, guy. You will see it in the next weeks. New updates from Apex side too. It's just a matter of time. They will come. 6 likes. Thank you, guys. We reached 17 people. Now we're back to 11, but doesn't matter. Welcome, everybody. Okay, Luca, my God, guys. So what would you advise to Luca? Luca is someone that is a very good trader, but is not able to accept losses. So today he took one trade, it was a loss. He probably took another trade here, it was a loss. Probably he went here, he took another trade, and it was a loss. What do you advise, guys, to someone that is able to have green days, but when he has the first red day on after 2-3 green days, he is not able to accept it. Like he's good to accept green days. He's not able to accept red days. What do you advise to Luca, guys? What is your way of input? By the way, this could have been an entry. No, because it closed. Oh, that's a very interesting candle here. This thinks the fact that it did not close lower, it closed higher. That's not a red candle. So what would you advise, guys, to Luca? Guys, what would you advise to Luca that is not able to accept loss? What is your sentence? One sentence. You know, of course, we can speak about this thousands of times, but and guys, Luca is a great trader. Is a great trader. Tell him next day don't trade. It's crazy. And it was he guys. I will tell you the story of Luca. Luca he has 10 accounts. He went to 52,800, but he could not withdraw money at that moment, personal reasons. So let's forget, but he reached payout. So in his idea, because for personal reason, he cannot withdraw, he's like, I'm gonna just keep growing the accounts. Boom, it got a big hit, 50,600. Boom, recovered, 51,900. He could not accept the loss. Boom, back to 51,600, 50,600. Boom, back to 51,500. And now today he blew them up. Yeah, he's someone that is not able to respect a loss. He does green day, green day, green day. He has this rule. He has one trade, one day trade, one trading. Oh my God, am I able to speak of freaking hell or not? One trade per day. Yeah, that is his rule. One trade per day. When it's green trade, it's very good. He's very able to accept it. When it's red, one trade red, he's not able to accept it. Nick. Now we have Nick is the psychological guy here. We need the Nick wisdom. And then until he can accept the inevitable, because we all have the learned losses, gives him the privilege to trade again. Yeah, the people, that's one thing, is that people, they evaluate themselves on the day on a single trade instead of evaluating themselves in the long run. I accept my loss today because I know that in the next 100 days I will be green. Right? My friend, you're not able... Guys, we were speaking before about people creating a ticket because they are not able to trade today. And Mahmoud is texting me, I'm not able to trade. Mahmoud, you're using a contract that Tradovate is closing because it's expiring right now. You have to use December contract. NQZ. Z you have to use right now. I'm going to punch you, Mahmoud. I'm going to punch you. I'm going to punch you. The new contract you need to use right now. You need to use December. Its contract moved this week. Yeah, just today, Tradovate blocks you. You cannot trade the old contracts. With Tradovate, we came out with that. We were like, we have so many times problem using the wrong contract, especially on the big one, big NQ, ES, MNQ, US 30 YM. And we were like, please, we flatten on the position every evening. We told them, please, when there is higher volume, you decide, because you are Tradovate, you have the data of volume. You, at the opening, you block the contracts of the old one and you force people. So people don't use the old contract. If not, it's a mess. It's really, people think Apex wants me to use the old contract. No, we don't want, because you're going to blow up accounts anyway. Kirk, I'm sorry, man. Nick, personally, I think it depends on a lot on your age. If you are trading something that is purely systematic, then you should just take every trade as a result will be random. If you trade more field, then if you take trades that are lost, my field is off and I better to walk away. Yeah, I get your point in that. He used my same strategy. He's the one taught me this strategy. But his plan is 1 trade per day, and I call it. That was his way. I do 2 trades. He does 1 trade. Rule of the thumb in the 15 when it's available, just watch. Rule of the thumb in the 15 when it's available, just switch. Just switch. The 15, yeah, because it's usually it's mid-month. Yeah, it's September contract, but it expires on the mid of the month. I can trade. Did you change contract? December NQ December contract NQ Z5 MQZ or NQZ5. That's the contract you have to use right now. Oh no 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 no. Or ESZ5 or MAESZ5, everything but Z on the big free or the big free. YM NQ ES. Other contracts, I don't know. You have to check on SME. Z5 or, yeah. Oh my god, it's been a long time I not traded ES. Oh, such a long time. You've lost 39 ticks there on ES from the high. Can we get a short here? Would be nice. Are we gonna get a trade, guys? I think I'm gonna probably take only 1 trade today. Thanks, brother. No, welcome, man. Welcome. You're welcome, man. Kirk, what did you do to blow up your account? Did you follow your at least your strategy and rules? If you've done that, your heart is in peace. Overnight low and maybe extend it to the downside on that push. This was too easy to show when it rejected the level at all-time. Yeah, you're right on that. That is all high of the day, all-time high as well. On ES, that's a good point. Oh la la. Let's see if we can get a little bit more pullback here, and we get the short. Not all-time highs, yeah, a high of the day, right here. By the way, I really just kidding. Freaking Kirk. I'm gonna punch you there, man. I'm gonna punch you. Ti prendo pugni. Not working. Check, Mohammed. You check do you have balance? You didn't blow up your account. What are you trading, by the way? Which the heck are you trading there? Check if you have I don't know. What the heck are you trading there? Ninja Trader application or Tradovate application? Just check on the computer probably. But that's usually the contract you should trade right now, at least. You have balance, okay. Just try again. Check if the name is not yellow. Bigger screenshot and show me the contract selected. Show me the entire monitor when you're there. Area from Asia. Let me get okay. I'm looking at this thing wants to go lower. Just get me an entry at this 482 NQZ5. Okay, that looks good. Should be. By the way, you're so bad at taking screenshot. By the way, and where you're taking the trade? Where you're taking the trade? Buy and sell. Are you taking it in the DOM or in there? It's different. If you're taking it in the DOM, but in the DOM you're selected September contract. Okay. Okay, guys, we might take a trade. I think a good chance we're gonna take only one trade today and call it. And if it comes back right now and it rejects, that's gonna be my only trade of today and call it. Let's see. But it has to come back at 482 here. Now, okay. Okay, if you don't want, you don't have to feel me. Even closing here from C day with no trades is a good day. It's a great day. Oh my God. How many people are we today? 16. Welcome back, guys. Leave a like to the video and join the best live stream in YouTube about trading. Here we don't say bullshit. We, because it's not only me, it's me, all the guys in the chat here. Nick, Kirk, Mahmoud, Worfi, Mufti, Redwan, Felipe, El Brasileiro, Matt, all these people, Andy, are there to help you. Manu, are there to help you psychologically speaking. It's all here. We are, I believe, a good disciplined group of traders. We do mess up sometimes, but we don't mess up, I believe, every day at least. We're getting better. I think at the end of the year, after there too, what the heck? You should not trade, you piece of crap. You're in a holiday, you're in Paris. You should not trade. Did you bring your laptop with you? Oh, today is not a trading day for you, man. Abdel was gone for 2 weeks in Bali for the first time of his life, and he was like, I need to bring my laptop to trade. I'm like, what the heck? You're in 2 weeks, first time in Asia, and you're thinking about trading. Oh, that's the problem we have. We are you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. Oh, risk it for the biscuit. Come on, punch. Just come a little bit above, come back, give me 3 candles, and I'm shorting, you piece of shit. You piece of shit. This one was a 1, but if this one came back a little bit lower and come back, this would have been a short. But these freaking things here, it did not come enough lower. I would have wished something like that, a bit more closing with something with some space between the pullback to the line and filling me in the pullback, but it's okay. Yeah, we are all the same, guys. We all make the same shit. We all overtrade. We all do bullshit, and that's why when you speak about trading, about trading with other trading people, you just feel like you're brothers and sisters. You just look at each other and you're like, I know. You don't have to explain. I know what you feel. That's what happened with me today. Try to do the same with someone that does not trade, and you tell them what you've gone through. They will just laugh at you, and they will be like, "Why you didn't stop trading? That's your rule. Why you didn't do it? You're stupid." That's what people that don't know how to trade, they don't know about trading. They're like, "Just follow the rules." Yeah, thanks God. Just follow my rules. Yeah, that was the easy things to do. And then these people start trading. That's my brother. That was my brother as well. He was like that. He was like, when I will start trading, I will follow the rules. You tell me what to do, I will follow the rules. That's my brother here after 1 year of trading, breaking the rules. and yesterday we talked before the trading session, and I was like, Abdel, what is the things before the session? He was laughing. He was like, ha ha ha, make money. I was like, I'm not laughing. What is the things prior to trading? Execution, follow your rules, take your trades, your 2 trades, and call it. It was like, ha ha ha, yes. Same day, 1 hour after, you were traded. See? That's when you don't take it serious. You don't have that experience to take it, to laugh knowing that you have the discipline that you're gonna follow it. But if you don't have the discipline, you have to take every shit serious. If not, trading does not become serious. I cannot check your account now, my friend. Can you just log off and log in? You should be able to trade. Do you have a stop loss limit? You have a daily loss limit as well? Log off and log in again. Check if you have daily loss limit set on your account. I cannot check your account now, my friend. So everything I see there, it's correct. Everything I see there, you have your account, it's alive. NQZ5. By the way, you have 30. Man, you're selecting 30 contracts? Yo, 30. What the fuck? 30 contracts on a. You cannot have 30 contracts NQ mini on a 150K. Mohammed, I will punch you. If that is the reason why you cannot take a trade, I will punch you. He sent me the screenshot now. He's like, I cannot take a trade. He has 30 minutes selected in NQ. Will punch you. But you have to wait. If it still does not work, you have to wait for me. Right now I cannot log in and check. If not, I miss the trade, and then my emotion won't be good. Won't be good. Oh, that's a good moment right now to explain the strategy. Okay, right now I'm looking for, this is my one, let me hide the other one. I have two lines, the 200 MEA and the 101 MEA. What I wait is that, for example, in this case, when the 100 MEA is lower to the 200, so I'm looking for short. If this line was above, I will look for longs. What I wait right now is that this chart comes back, touch the line, or he enters in the golden area, and creates a high and makes free red candle, consecutive free red candle, 1, 2, and 3, and I enter short at the break of the third candle. So for example, right now, let's see it. Now it's touching. So right now, if free red candles comes from the high, from a peak, I will take a short. Right now, see, one candle is there. It's very quick. Sometimes it's very quick. You might miss it, and it's okay missing a trade. Like I always say, look, for example, right now is one candle there. Let's see if it's red. It's rejecting. I have to check if my order is copy traded. Yes. So right now we wait for this candle is closing red. It's yes, this chart is not a normal chart. It's a range bar chart. What does it mean? I selected 24 ticks. So that means that each of this candle is 6 points. Altaf, not anymore. Now this is a range bar, so you can see that each candle have the same exact length, guys. Okay, right now I'm gonna put my short there. If it breaks, you see, I have where the candle will. Okay, I'm short, guys. So this is my trade. I have 3 red candles. I'm gonna put my stop loss above the candles here. That's what would be my stop loss. If it comes back and breaks this new high, I'm out. And I look for 15 points target. That's my target. And that is the actual strategy. This is the first time it happened since before. Never happened here. Here it did happen, but it has to come with a pullback. Here never happened and stuff like that. So this is the first time actually these things happen with having a short position with 3 red candles. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Is it gonna lose or win this trade? I don't know. I take the trade because the trades tell me to take it, and I accept my outcome. No matter what is gonna be this trade, red or green, I'm okay with the outcome. That is the most important things. What I do, I took 2 trades per day. Some people take 1 trade per day. Then you follow your balance on it. You backtest it by yourself as well. Check how it goes, and if you like it, it's a very, what I like about this strategy. It's quite mechanical on a way that it's very simple. It's very simple on a way that there is no ABCD. It's or this or that. You might decide to take a trade because it's maybe going against a resistance and be like, okay, you know what, I don't like it because it's going against resistance, and it's totally fair, and they do that sometimes. But for the rest, the moment you're in a position, you don't have anything to think. You have a stop loss and a take profit. And so right now we just wait. And hopefully we take our take profit. ES is selling off, and so ES is looking good. And hopefully NQ is coming to the lows. Okay, we're getting some acceleration there. New York session, I do trade only New York session, and I trade only the first hour of the day. And thanks God I don't trade more than that, because trading, more you stay on your laptop trading, more you stay looking at the chart, more you're gonna lose. Less money you make. Try to stay on your PC the less possible. Take your strategy and get the hell out of your computer. More you stay looking at charts, more your brain is telling you you have an opportunity. Fuck that. Sorry the words. I believe you can make it automated. I believe you can do it. Even the previous strategy I was using, the 50 minutes break strategy, you can do that. You can have automated. It's just for me a decision matter of like, should I take it? Should I not take it? I do decide myself with some discretionally if I should take a trade or not. Something that a computer automated cannot do. But yeah, but if you want to make it automated in a way that it will take the trade no matter what, you can do that. Is live. Oh, that's oh, that's at least okay. Okay, at least you managed to take MNQ. I'm glad to see that. It's mostly for me, I like it to see if there is like a resistance, a round number. Like for example, if I'm shorting against if I was taking the short and it was against the 500, I would have not taken it. If I'm not shorting because there is a big resistance or support, I'm not gonna take it. You know, but of course there is a little bit discretionary there. So this trade is gonna be a winner trade or it's gonna be a losing trade. Finger crossed it's a winning one. We will celebrate it, we will be happy, but even if it's a losing one, we will be happy anyway. Why am I happy anyway if this trade is a losing one? Because I follow my rules. You know, right now it's coming back. Peace and love. How many bits I have? Hey, it's impossible. I have 90. I have 98. I'm stressed. So everything I'm telling you, it's bullshit. I'm not relaxed. I'm not relaxed, guys. Why the heck? Oh. Okay, guys, it's coming back against me. Is it gonna be a losing trade? It's gonna be a losing trade. You are in a trade. So guys, it's gonna be a losing one or a winning one? When are you going back to Italy? In a week and a half. My friend is getting married. Nothing, man. Mahmoud, I didn't do anything. You just had to go, I guess, reload or something like that. For me, on my journal at the end of the day, and if it's a red day, I still write by success if I follow my rules. Huge mindset shift using a journal. Yes, using a journal is a big shift. Write down what you went through. What you've done about writing success. If it's a right day because you follow your rules, it's amazing. That's a great, because you're putting in your head, I've done my job as a trader. I could not predict it was going to be a red trade or a green trade. But the only things I could know by the data I had that moment is that I had to take the trade. The outcome of it is unknown. For example, right now is red. if I was here, I mean, I really like this trade. It took the previous high here. It's coming lower. We have the lows here. We have space to come back low. Yes, was shorting. It's a beautiful trade. You come here, you're like, your brain starts to think about, freak, I did not see that. This is a support area. It might continue and bounce. Oh my God, I should have not taken this trade. Copy trading, I use Quantower. Quantower is already integrated in the Quantower trade copier is already integrated in the application. If it comes back, it touch. The only things I want to see is that the 3 consecutive red candles get you out from the red. If they close inside the 3, I don't take it. I just need to see. It can touch, but it has to come and get out from you. It's like all these areas fine to touch and be inside. Come on, market. Sell off. It doesn't want, it's taking some time. How many people are we right now in the live stream? 24. Welcome, guys. Leave a like to the video. As always here, the only things you see is transparency. You see a trade, you see my accounts lower. I don't hide shit. So that's, and I took red trades. Red days, I have them. So don't expect here to have green days only. I have more red days than green days, especially this month. No, if for example, let's say an example, I will tell you something like that. If let's say the high is here, then it's the next candle is here. The heck? The next candle is here. The next candle is here. You see, it's closing inside. I'm not gonna take it. But if it closes somewhere, something here, I'm gonna take it. Stop loss there, something like that. I will take it if I do it does something like that. I hope I clarified the situation. You want to see me naked? I can do that, guys. Okay, let's do it. Naked, naked, naked. Okay, guys, can we get the acceleration right now? 455, 451 is just lower. It's just lower there. Do it right now. Do it right now, market. Sell off. I know you want to sell off. The lows of the day are there. Get me this 41, 51, 25. Get me out. Get me out! I'm not gonna touch you. Do you think I'm gonna touch you? Do you think I'm gonna take out my trade in advance because I'm scared of my take profit is gonna come back? You can stop me out if you want. Stop me out. I don't give a shit. I'm not your slave. I'm slave of my discipline. I'm not gonna take profit. You can take out my stop loss. That's what I do. Slay, take me. Come back to the stop loss. I don't give a shit. I took my trade, I done my job, I'm done. That's what you have to do, guys. If I could stop now, that's gonna be a great video. That's gonna be a great video. Which one is the current screen? Sorry, bro, I'm new for future. No worries, I'm using Quantower. Quantower spelled like, how the heck you put text here? And drawings? Where is it? Quantower. Text. Quantower. Oh. Hello, pam pam. Give it this money. Give it this money. Hey, hey, give it this money. Give it this money. Hey, do you think I'm gonna take out my position because you're close to TP? I will never do that. Discipline is my first. Nah. Ha! Let's go, guys. Beautiful. I'm sorry that I screamed on the microphone. You probably got destroyed by that. Beautiful, guys. 6,622. I took one tick more today because I didn't want to see that 299. I wanted to see 300. And thank you, Kirk. Thank you, Mazer. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Hamza on drugs. Man, I don't know. Maybe it's the 16 kilometers run already this morning. I feel like amazing. Tomorrow I'm gonna run again, but not 16K. I'm gonna run 5-6K to cool down. We are on the lows. It's 10-10-6, and one of my main rule, each one of you, most of you knows, is 1 hour of trading. More than 1 hour, I don't trade, and because of that, I'm gonna call it. Guys, thank you so much for coming as always, and if you're thinking to use Apex, that's my code. If you want to use my code when you get the 80% off right now, that's my name. It's Hamza. You can use it as many times as you want. It supports the channels. Yeah, it's a small channel here, so it's small people, few people, but great mindset people. So come to Discord if you want. I don't sell courses, but you can come to the Discord for free, lower. Come there. I share everything. Share the strategy. I don't give a shit. If I make money, if I can get a payout, I will go. Finally, I will go back to payouts. I will do giveaways again. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. FOMC today, so be careful. I don't trade, of course, during this time. Wish you the best. I was born in Morocco, brother, but I mostly travel full time now. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. We chat again tomorrow. And we chat in Discord as well. Discord is, I'm there. Love you all, guys.